might just be right. I know you want to do it too. So bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I am better.
I'm again in Bacalar for the third time. What is there to enjoy in Bacalar? Well, the lagoon. You can exfoliate using the sand. There are different access points. For some of them you have to buy and the others not. You have a few cenotes. You can see the difference in the color of the water. It's caused by the difference in the depth. Deep blue, the water is deeper and up to 80 meters. And when the water has this turquoise color and it's not that deep, well, it's not a cenote. You have different balnearios. You can go kayaking. And the sunsets have really, really nice colors.